said plot twist, bro. Started arguing with my toaster cause it wouldn't let the bread go. I tripped over my own shadow, blamed the lamp for looking smug, then apologized to a houseplant like, sorry man, I need a hug. Yeah, sometimes I'm a little, yeah, like a Wi-Fi signal in a snowstorm, like a squirrel that learned to drive, like a Roomba with emotional baggage. I'm fine, I swear, just a little. Yeah. I tried to text my buddy, but I sent it to my dentist. Now he thinks I'm fighting dragons and I'm spiritually relentless. I once waved back at a mannequin, then doubled down with pride. Cause if I'm gonna be awkward, I'm gonna do it nationwide. Yeah, sometimes I'm a little, yeah, like a microwave having an identity crisis, like the GPS that's had enough, like a cat who pays rent late. I'm fine, I swear, just a little.